I built an arena and threw balls inside. One rule, hit to kill. The faster you hit, the more damage you deal. And when things got boring, I made it worse.
I am Chaos, and this is the Red versus Blue War.
Quick lesson. When two balls collide, the faster one deals more damage and takes less. As they lose health, they lose their core. No core, no life. Two left on each side. This isn't a war, this is a pillow fight. Let's fix that. 50. Each side, right now.
Not enough! Time to bring in the big ones.
They've been going at it for a while. Let me speed things up. Red is gone, but blue doesn't get to celebrate. Because I never said anyone gets to survive. That was experiment 1, a warm-up. Next time, I'll let them choose how they die. Subscribe, or you'll miss the next one.